Okay, so I lost audio in the first test video, so we're just going to try this again. This time, be more careful. Okay, echo, echo, echo's good, so that's good. Now this, hello, hello, right about there, perfect. And then just turn down the volume. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, so this is internal closing. So, internal closing is the one that I'm using now. No, internal opening, I mean. So, internal opening is the one that I'm using now. So, hello, hello, nope, there. So, internal opening is this one, this thing right here. This is test. Hello. Okay, so this is test open internal opening one. Like this is internal opening one. So I gotta get my mic and I get position right there. Okay. So now you guys can just move it out a bit right there. So now you guys can hear me. Turn that up a bit. Hello. Can you guys? Okay, so this is just a test video. Turn down the echo there. So now you can hear me, but you guys can. This is just a internal opening, and then I'm going to do the internal closing. So this is it for this video.